Hey guys, good evening everyone. Are you there? Hi everyone. Come on quickly. Audio, video, everything is clear. All clear. Okay, very good. So what is your practice strategy? How you are practicing things? Is it okay for you? Practice is going on? Yes, guys. Right, guys. Voice is low. My voice low. What, my dears? Somebody said voice is low. All good. Some people are saying all good. Some people are saying voice is low. Shall I start the things? Last session, what happened? Right. What about your practice up to there? Hope you practiced well all the resources. Today is 63 session. Oh, 60 session number 63. Very good, very good. 63 participants. Okay. That is common, my dear. Yesterday I said no already. That is common. Don't worry. So far, how many sessions completed? Is there any clue on that? So far, how many sessions we completed? Is there any clue on that? No, I think Rudra, you're wrong. 47 is not correct. I think 51 I thought. Total actually 55. Yeah. If anybody perfectly you count, you can tell me. Even the no issue, no problem. It is not the matter that. Today I'm discussing with you some kind of validations I'm starting and JavaScript level, some output related things. Observe here. JavaScript output. In this output statements, how many we completed? You can check it. Right. Last one pending. Console.log. Very good. What is the meaning of console? How this console level we people are working? So these are very important points. Console level things are very important points. JavaScript output level. So alert clear, write clear, and HTML clear. Shall I start console level things, everybody? Any doubt remaining three? No doubt. Right. Do you know what is the meaning of console? How this console is functioning? Right. Command line prompt. Okay, now I'm going to script level, removing things. I don't know last class how many you people practiced. A is equal to something, B is equal to something, C is equal to, okay. Then I'm giving console dot log. I said that. So now I'm providing all the resources. Any place you can write, it is not the matter where you are writing. Head level you can write, body level you can write, not a matter. If I'm going to run this program on the web page, it is unable to see. Observe your, can you see output here? No, you can't see. Now here you can go with F12. Do you know what is the meaning of F12? F12 is nothing but, come on, inspect element. There you can go to console. There you can see output. Observe here. Can anybody? Output is visible or not visible? The result is, and you are giving, the result is, observe here. Yes, what console is doing, everybody? It is displaying on the console level. It is like a command prompt. But if console is not there, you can't see the output here. So what is console? Browser use console.log method. So console.log method it is giving. So in JavaScript level, output we can display finally in how many ways? Can you tell me the 4 ways? Can you tell me the 4 ways? First one is alert, document.write, inner HTML, console.log. Right. I think hope all are clear for you. Setting breakpoints. Important, my dears. Debugging keyword I'm showing in JavaScript. All these are ES related features. Anybody, what is the meaning of ES or ES6 features? Come on, ES or ES6 features, anybody? ECMA script, very good. Execution what, Meemanshu? ECMA, what is ECMA? European Computer Manufacturers Association. What is the official name of JavaScript? Come on, what is the official name of JavaScript, everyone? Official name of JavaScript is ECMA. Please remember, everybody, ECMA. Very good. European Computers Manufacturers Association. ECMA script we are calling generally. So setting breakpoint. In the debugger window, you can set breakpoints in the JavaScript code. At each breakpoint, JavaScript will stop executing and let you examine JavaScript values. After examining values, you can resume the execution of code, typically with the play button. Okay, very good. The debugger keyword is that. The debugger keyword stops the execution of JavaScript and calls the debugging function. This has the same function as setting a breakpoint in the debugger. Okay, very good. Check it once again, everybody. Without debugger coding, is debugging is possible here? Without debugger keyword, debugging possible or not possible? First of all, what is the meaning of debugging? What is the meaning of debugging? Come on, anybody. What is the meaning of debugging? Executing the program line by line to find the errors. Very good. Come down an example I'm showing. Shall I start my example, everyone? Right, I'm entering into. Same calculation, symbol I'm giving. After that, I'm giving. What that one? Symbol I'm giving debugger. Then C is equal to A plus B and log. For your understanding purpose, I'm showing document dot get element by ID. ID is something I'm giving. Dot inner HTML is equal to C. Very good. So that ID you need to provide. Simply one paragraph I'm giving. ID is equal to something. That's it. Clear or not, you can check it. If clear, I'll run the program. Concentrate perfectly, debugger keyword. Right? Now I'm going to see here. What answer displayed here? 30 displayed. But where it is giving the chance to execute debugging? Simple I can say where is equal to. Understood? I'm not giving that because I'll give like this. Where C is equal to A plus B. Debugger document. Better I'll write console dot otherwise log. If debugger I'm not writing, okay, also displaying. Right, come down. F12. Where is the debugger? Here available. We'll check it. Doesn't require actually. I'm checking all the ways. Right, debugging. Here some keys available. Observe here. Observing shortcut keys. Step in F11. Resume F8. Step over F10. Step in F11. Step out Shift F11. Observe your shortcut keys here. Automatically enable those keys also. Right here. Paused on debugger statement. I'm going to say here no output is there. I said here F7. F7 I said. Still output is not there. You can check it. F7 I said. Now output is there. I hope remaining people are observing that how I paused while stepping. Now 30 available on the screen observing. Remaining. Right, if you want once again. Come on, again F11 completed. Execution completed. Debugging over. F12 you are out. Okay. Check it you are. Check it the code once. executing the program line by line. Come on, everyone. What is the use of debugging? How the debugging process is, you can try to check it. What are the shortcut keys available? Also, you can. Clear, everybody? Right, setting breakpoints clear for you. JavaScript hoisting. Anybody you heard this word hoisting? JavaScript hoisting. Anybody heard the names? JavaScript declarations are hoisted. Hoisting is JavaScript's default behavior of moving declarations to top. In JavaScript, a variable can declared after it has been used. In other words, a variable can be used before it has been declared. So if okay, I'll show you examples. Shall I move forward? Hoisting examples. Hoisting meaning once again understand. Right, hope you understood everybody. Now I'm declaring here things. Observe you only perfectly. Now I'm writing here document dot write C. Is it working or not working? Come on, everyone. Yes, working. Now, for example, I made var a comma b comma I said var a comma b comma I said even comma c also I said. Now I'm giving this one a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, c is equal to a plus b. And whenever I'm going to say that, now I declared here. Understand the words, what I declared, where a comma b comma c. This is possible or not, you can check it once. Yes, but read the definition once again. Read the definition. Right. It contains A and B. Now, for example, I declared here, correct, understand hoisting meaning. I declared there, but I have given values here. Is it possible now? Sorry. Sorry. Is it possible now? Come on, tell me now. Come on, quickly. Is it possible or not possible? That is only hoisting. Read once again definition of hoisting definition. Hoisting definition once again you can read. JavaScript declarations are hoisted. Hoisting is JavaScript defaults behavior of moving declarations to the top. In JavaScript, a variable can be declared after it has been used. In other words, a variable can be used before it has been declared. Very good, excellent. Okay, everyone. Shall I move forward? So what is the meaning of hoisting? What is the meaning of hoisting? JavaScript declarations are hoisted. Try to understand. Declaration you can do anyone. Declarations you can do maybe top, maybe bottom. There is no point. Anywhere you can declare, no problem. So for example, now you are giving this and you are giving here and you are giving this is possible. This is hoisted meaning. Am I clear? Right. Hoisted meaning, correctly understand, compulsory question. Right. The next one. JavaScript initializations are not hoisted. JavaScript only hosts declarations, not initializations. What a note point, my dear. I hope this note point perfectly understood now. Come on, everyone. Come on, be active. Why so dull? Saturday effect, what? People are dull. Saturday effect, my dear. Friday evening, no. Generally, software industry, Friday afternoon onwards, almost they are in out of job mood. Friday evening onwards. Again, Monday morning only they'll come to job mode. I think already you habituated that one without entering into software industry. Already entered. Very good. Already entered, sir. We are attending your sessions. Once course completed, we are getting job. Okay. Right. Very good. Nice. Next one. JavaScript use strict. Anybody you experienced use strict? Declared at the beginning of JavaScript file, it has a global scope. All code will be executed in script mode, in strict mode only. Very important, my dear, is strict mode. In strict mode is very important. Now, in this example, where compulsory or not compulsory? In this example, where compulsory or not compulsory? Come on, software engineers. Where is not mandatory? It will execute. There is not an issue. There is no problem. Again, where doesn't require here. Now, simply you can say here, use strict. Use strict. Come on, run it. No output will come. So that time where is mandatory. That time where is mandatory. Otherwise, it is unable to execute. Where is mandatory. Otherwise, it is unable to execute. Check it now. Now, where you can remove, you are out. Understanding where you can add. Hello, everyone. Anybody observe this beautiful feature? Use strict. In JavaScript, you want to make it declaration mandatory. What keyword we are using? Read everybody. All are brand new features. All are brand new features. Currently, there is no, that means of number, my dear. We are calling 2022 version only. Year version only, that ES version. So JavaScript strict mode also clear. Now, is it working or not working? Working. Now I said 100 here, where I removed, working or not working? Now where provided, working or not working? Yes, very good. Right, completed the things. Shall we go to validations? Last and final thing in JavaScript. Many of you guys are waiting. Another 2-3 days, I'll discuss validations. After that, when I'm going to Bootstrap. Deadline is July 1 or 2. Means first or second will close. But don't leave once batch completed. JavaScript once, immediately you need to learn which one? Angular. Anybody you heard the name Angular? jQuery also not good demand. Angular is the demand now. How many you people are planning that when you can? Yes, Selenium is testing level tool. No problem. Come on, remaining members. How many you are planning for UI technologies like Angular, Ember.js, Node.js, superset of JavaScript? I'm teaching Himanshu only nowadays Python related technologies like data science, machine learning, Django. These 3-4 only I'm teaching. Nowadays I'm not teaching these, even HTML also. Anyone is better, no problem. Angular, Node.js having more demand right now in the market. Anybody you heard the name Node.js? You heard the name Node.js? Having a lot of opportunities in the market right now. Yes, because many people are using. Node.js mainly people are using exclusively for the purpose of blockchain technologies. Anybody you heard the name blockchain? You heard the name blockchain? Yeah, cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency level we are using. Bitcoin. Yes, correct. More than Java, Node.js having big demand right now in the market. Okay, we'll move forward to our validations. Shall I start JavaScript validations, everybody? Ready? Right. If you are ready. Anybody tell me what is the meaning of validation? No problem. Take your own time. What is the meaning of validation? Take your own time and tell me. What is the meaning of validation? Which level validation is powerful? Come on, come on. Somebody disturbing the session here? Yes, validate data. No, validation meaning. Right. Then verification meaning. Okay, validation meaning, different definitions you said, my dear. Then verification meaning, you can tell me. Verification meaning, you can tell me. Yes, these two are actually very difficult, my dear. Validation, verification correctly meaning you guys having idea. We can write any kind of programming which is related to validations and verifications, to be frank. But you are going to do that. Something you need to learn a little bit differently. Today I'm showing that what is verification and what is validation. Observe my screen now. I'm giving. Read now. Just observe now. What is verification? What is validation? How effectively we are doing. So these words very important here. Observe here. Forms available. Form is a container. It is allowing user to enter the data and which is taking. I think you remember forms. Can you tell me form level some controls? You remember forms? Can you tell me form level controls? Very good. All input types. Excellent. All input types. allows user to enter data that is sent to a server for processing. Okay, right. These forms contain checkboxes, radio buttons, text fields, web forms. Observe here. JavaScript form validations. HTML form validations done by JavaScript provides a way of validation data on the client's computer before sending to the web server. Validation generally two functions. Basic validation, data format validation. First check it. This is clear or not. So generally client level validation purpose, which programming we are using? 95% websites are using JavaScript. 95%. JavaScript means don't think direct JavaScript. JavaScript form. Maybe that is Angular, that is maybe some Angular, Ember, Backbone, Node, whatever you can say. But directly nowadays, JavaScript, no company using. Please remember all these words, whichever I am delivering. Are you understanding carefully whatever I'm saying words here? Very good. HTML form validation can be done by JavaScript. JavaScript provides a way to validate forms data on the client's computer before sending it to the web server. Form validation generally performs two functions: basic validation, data format validation. For example, there is a field available mobile number. Generally, mobile number available in which format? Generally, mobile number available in which format? Number format. For example, I entered my name. I entered Raju. Data required, mandatory field, Raju entered. Data is there, but data format not correct. So basic validation level, data available or not checking. Data format validation level, entered data correct or not checking. I hope everybody are understanding what JavaScript is today. Everybody are understanding what JavaScript is today. Come on, what is the meaning of validation? Validation completely client side before sending to server. This validation commonly done in how many ways? Two ways. Basic validation means required input you entered or not. Data format validation means entered input format correct or not. Means data format correct or not. I hope you understood basic validation, data format validation. Am I clear, everyone? Data validation. It is a process of ensuring that computer input is clean, correct, and useful. Excellent. Okay. Are you getting anybody why validation required? Any doubt you are getting? Why validation required? You are not getting doubt like this? Why validation required? Come on. Come on, come on. Very good. Checking input data, meaningful data. Why validation required? Come on, quickly. What is the reason to validate the data? Yes. Correct data, if you are not taking from the user, database will be crash. Correct. If you are not giving correct input, backend database will be crash. For example, username, I said maybe some char. Mobile number, I said integer. Age, I said maybe float value. Whatever the data types. Can we declare data types in database level? Do you know? We are creating table level. We are declaring databases. Sorry, data types. Create table name. Come on, employee ID. Employee ID, we are giving maybe integer. Come on. Yes, number of constraints we are applying. Correct. Very good answer. Number of constraints we are applying. These constraints perfectly you need to work out means very important. Come on, everyone. Yes, constraint, number of conditions we are applying. Come on, data validation we can do now. What is the data validation level things we can? Right. It is a process of ensuring that computer input is clean, correct, and useful. The purpose of data validation is to ensure correct input to computer application. Validation can be defined by many different methods. Server-side validation is performed by web server after input has been sent to the server. Client-side validation is performed by the web browser before input is sent to the web browser. Super, super, my dears. All 4 points, once again, you can read, my dears. All 4 points, once again, you can read. Clear or not, you can tell me. Deployment means execution part. For example, I developed one website. Okay, I'm putting in the server level. That is called deployment. Ratna Kumari. Deployment means it is available publicly to all the people. Anybody can access in the world. Thank you, everyone. Right. Now I'm entering in. Disturbed once alarm, once scared, Sagar. Right. Read 4 points. Any doubt you can tell me, Sagar. 4 points. Any doubt you can tell me. Right. Understood, everybody? Shall I move forward? Different constraints I'm showing here. Observe. Different constraints. Say the constraints, everybody. Some constraints already shown to you. Do you remember the constraints here? Right. Already we used, my dears, constraints. You remember or not? Already explained to you. Some people are not responding. Already we used constraints. Number of times I used required. Anybody remember required? Yes. Disabled also used. Rudra. Disabled is equal to disabled. Cancel button I disabled on the forms level. You can check it. Go back and check it my notes. Disabled is equal to disabled. Pattern I use, required I use, type I use. So number of constraints already we applied. Do you know what is the meaning of constraint? Constraint means condition. Now I'm showing tomorrow onwards these things. Tomorrow onwards I'm showing these things. Tomorrow I'm conducting only doubt session. Tomorrow doubt session and backup session. The real validations will be started Monday onwards. Okay. Real validations will be started Monday onwards. Tomorrow, doubt session as well as a backup session. Monday, Tuesday, I'll take the validations. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, I'll take the bootstrap. And revision also I'll do. And revision also will do. Got the point, everybody? Interview questions last. Okay, definitely I'll take. Don't worry. If you are giving any suggestions also I'll take. Everybody need to satisfied, then only I'll close the batch. But remember, JavaScript after compulsory Angular or Node you can try to learn for better future. Come on, remind members, you have any questions? Come on, remind members if you are having any questions. Please ping in the chat box. Thank you. No Jacks here. Very good. Node.js super. Node.js super, my dears. No words about the Node.js. React also good. Yes, React native super. Oh, very good. UI technology super. Separately, one separately they'll get. Combined means combined you will get. Come on, guys. Any more questions from any side? Please ping in the chat box if you are having questions. Thank you. Bye. Come on, any more things?